Working on a client project involving new, upgraded, or retrofitted lighting, ELEDLights is a great partner for electricians and contractors. We take on some of the workload, speccing the best lighting for the space and bringing it in within budget. We'll also find all energy efficiency rebates and incentives that may be available for the project. And as a factory direct supplier with warehouses on the East and West Coast, we provide the best prices and ship in the fastest time. We even help with creating photometric layouts, concept designs, and 3D renderings to save you valuable time on the job. Let our experts work to meet the spec while beating the budget, find all the eligible savings, and provide key setup info for your installers. You can trust us to get the job done.